cream, powder, highly pigmented, a little bit less pigment. We all know one of my favorites and everyone's favorite is our Fair Blush Bronzer, but I'm only showing you how to use the blush today. I don't know a ton about brushes, I just know what I like. And for a powder brush, I like a fluffy brush. You can put as much or as little product on there as you'd like. For a cream blush, we are going to use the Cheekbone face brush, and it's a little bit dense, and I've actually stopped using my fingers for cream blush, and here's why. I feel like when I use my fingers, it's pulling my Unify Multi-Pencil product off my face. And with cream, I feel the best application is with one of our denser Cheekbone blushes, and you'll see, because then you have a lot more control over placement as well. And this one is Juneberry. Obviously 2 different colors, but you can see 2 different types of blush application.